Doing SEO for law firms is kind of like practicing law, except that instead of arguing with judges, you're bargaining with the Google algorithm. And let's be real, the algorithm is way more unpredictable. But that doesn't mean you can't win your case in the search results. When it comes to SEO marketing, finding the right keywords is a ticket to success. And you don't have to be a pro to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and simple ways to find keywords, implement SEO, and grow your law firm traffic. And in case you're new to my channel, I'm Jason Hennessey and I help lawyers like you grow online and get more clients. Consider this your graduate program in online marketing. It's so easy, even a lawyer can do it. First things first, what is a keyword? A keyword is a term someone uses to search for information on Google. For example, if a person is searching for a personal injury attorney, a keyword they might use is personal injury lawyer or PI attorney near me. This matters for you because people you want to be on the receiving end of these searches, attracting prospective clients to your firm. Of course, you want to make sure that the keywords you're aiming for are relevant to your brand, which is where keyword research comes in. Keyword research is important because it uses Google to find lawyers. That's more than any other channel. Search engine optimization, also referred to SEO then, is one of the best marketing methods for attracting more website traffic and leads by targeting these keywords with your website. So how do you do that? The first step is to define your practice areas. These are the services you offer, which will then translate into keywords prospective clients are searching for. The key is to be very specific, not vague. Targeting lawyer is not only too broad, but it's also highly competitive for your market. Make a list of these services that you offer. For example, if you're a criminal lawyer, you might practice criminal defense, federal charges, fraud, tax evasion, maybe white-collar crime. And if one of your areas of practice is something unique, like maybe you do lemon law, trust me, you're going to want to do this step. You've got a short or long list of all of the services that you offer. Now it's time to dig into the details. And by details, I mean data. You simply can't do keyword research without the numbers. But don't worry, we'll make this super easy. No data science degree needed, I promise you. You're going to want to get set up with a free tool, maybe SEMrush, they got a free version, or Ubersuggest. And if you're feeling fancy, you can even opt in for a paid version. That just provides you with more keywords and options. I like SEMrush because it's easy to use and provides accurate information. And accuracy is what you want here. I'll use the keyword magic tool to search for my practice areas. I add the term lawyer or attorney and then check out the organic search volume for each. This tells me how many people are searching for these keywords on a monthly basis. If you're targeting on a national level, you can keep these keywords broad, but they will be very competitive. If you're like most law firms, you'll want to add some variations of the cities or state in which you work. This will help you identify keywords that have lower competition. Using the previous example of a criminal defense lawyer, let's pretend I only offer services in New York. When I look up my keywords and include my location, I find that New York criminal defense lawyer has 260 searches per month. New York fraud lawyer has 90 searches per month. New York tax evasion lawyer has 0 searches per month. Federal criminal lawyer New York has 50 searches per month, and so forth. Now, just because the keyword has 0 search volume doesn't mean you shouldn't have a service page on your website. It just means that no one is searching for that exact term. You might need to find a different variation or depend on another source of traffic. For the keywords that do have search volume, you can now be confident that people are searching for these terms. These would be great keywords for your website. Now it's time to become a bit of a keyword detective. You might be a keyword savage and generate all these keywords that you need in one go, but more than likely, you'll need to do some digging to find the best keywords for your law firm. So what makes a good keyword? One that is relevant, searchable, and achievable. By relevant, I mean that these keywords either relate to the services that you offer, the problems that you solve for your clients, your location, or the information that you intend to share. If a keyword isn't relevant, it won't drive relevant traffic to your website. In other words, these people are less likely to turn into clients. Your keywords also need to be searchable. That means they have to have search volume as reported by some of these keyword research tools. So you'll know for certain that people are actually searching for them. No search volume equals little to no traffic. Finally, your keywords need to be achievable. Most keyword tools report one metric like competition or keyword difficulty. Both are essentially the same, telling you how likely or unlikely you are to rank. High competition means that there's a lot of other high authority websites ranking for these keywords. You will either need to have a high authority website yourself or pull out some stops with SEO. The goal is to find keywords that have search volume but are mid to low competition. The detective work comes in when you use keyword research tools to find sneaky variations of your original terms. For example, one of the previous keywords, New York tax evasion lawyer, has 0 monthly searches. But I didn't stop there. After playing around, I found some variations. Tax evasion lawyer NYC has 20 monthly searches, and New York tax fraud attorney has 20 monthly searches. Just by playing around with different variation, I was able to find keywords with search volume. Another sneaky way to find keyword opportunities is to spy on your competitors. In SEMrush, you can use the keyword gap tool to compare your website with the top competitors in your niche. SEMrush will tell you what keywords you're ranking for that your competitors aren't ranking for, and vice versa. This can give you some ideas as what to target. Even the pros don't get keyword research just right every time. It takes some creative thinking and sometimes investigative work to find the right keywords for your website. By this step, you'll probably have a laundry list of keywords you could target. But how do you keep track of all of the keywords in one place? You can use keyword tools to set up keyword tracking, and I recommend this, but you don't have to get that fancy. A simple spreadsheet will do. First, make a list of all of your current or proposed web pages on your website. For example, maybe I have a home page, a criminal defense page, an About Us page, and a contact page. But given all of the services I offer, I might want to add fraud defense, tax evasion, and federal crimes page. Now I'll map my previous keyword to the pages that best apply. Previously, I found tax evasion lawyer NYC and New York tax fraud attorney. Since both of these keywords have to do with tax crimes, I might map them to the tax evasion page. I like to do this by listing the web pages in a vertical column and then to the right listing the target keywords along with their search volume. Later, this will help me know which keywords I should use in my content on each respective page. For SEO purposes, you might want to prioritize why you're writing the content for and optimizing the web pages that have the keywords with the most search volume. All of these present the most traffic opportunities. Keep in mind you can map multiple keywords to each page as long as they're relevant to the page. If during your keyword discovery you find unique keywords that you don't already have service pages for, you might feel inclined to create new pages. Your business goals should drive the strategy, but the keyword research validates the keywords are in fact searchable. Short tail keywords are what most people think of when they think of keywords. New York family lawyer, Seattle mass tort attorney, Denver PI law firm. These are just a few examples. They're short, concise, and pretty high level. Long tail keywords, on the other hand, are more descriptive. They're typically longer, and they usually pertain to questions or longer inquiries. For example, somebody might search for New York family lawyer, short tail, but they could also search how to file for a divorce in New York City, long tail. The latter, phrased more like a question, may be a better fit for a blog post, and here's why. People don't just search because they're ready to buy. They search for information. They've got questions, they're looking for answers. As a lawyer, I'd bet there are many questions that you can answer. Your website, then, is not just a home for service-related content, it can also be a hub for information and helpful articles. Long-tail keywords are helpful because they allow you to come up with longer queries that people are searching for and can validate that they have search volume. Say, for example, you're a car accident lawyer. Some potential long-tail keywords that would make great blog articles might include, should I get a lawyer for a minor car accident? That has 480 searches per month. How long after a car accident can I claim injury? That has 320 searches per month. Am I liable if my spouse causes a car accident? That has 110 searches per month. I mean, it's almost like keyword research is like dating. You could say you're looking for someone nice, or you can say that you're looking for someone who loves dogs, hates pineapple on pizza, and enjoys true crime documentaries. The more specific, the better. Keyword research has never been easier. Not because Google is getting easier to understand, it's not, but because you have me to guide you through it. I've been doing this for a long time, which means I've made plenty of mistakes so that you don't have to, and plenty of victories so that you can copy them. I stand by it because it works, and yet it's stupid simple. So if you're ready to dig into SEO for your law firm, and let's be real, you should, because Google is God when it comes to getting more clients online, then I recommend following this keyword research guide to come up with the best terms for your firm. You've got this. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You'll see tons of helpful videos like this all about law firm marketing, SEO, getting clients, and more. Also, be sure to purchase my book, Law Firm SEO, on Amazon for even more SEO-friendly tips.